Lomo Saltado, the Garces way. One of my first restaurants was Chifa, a concept that celebrated local Peruvian ingredients and Chinese cooking techniques. A classic dish we served there was Lomo Saltado. This recipe was inspired by one of my mom's best friends, Armida. While traditionally prepared with beef, all-natural Smithfield Prime fresh pork loin makes a juicy alternative. I'm gonna start by cutting the fresh pork loin into strips. So next I'm gonna move over the range, I'm gonna add some oil to the wok, I'm gonna sear the pork until it's lightly brown, and then I'll add my peppers and onions. I'll add my special soy glaze and toss to coat. Now I'll add some French fries, a bit more soy glaze, I'll add some fresh cut tomatoes, chopped cilantro, and we should be good to go. And there you have it, Lomo Saltado, a taste of Peru via China, the Garces way. Buen provecho. For more great recipes and ideas, visit smithfield.com.